Bravery is not the absence of fear. It is the refusal to surrender one's principles, even when fear is certain. At Chamkaur, two sons of Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj, aged 18 and 14, stood not to conquer, but to protect the spirit of the Khalsa. They knew the outcome. And still, they stepped forward. In Sarhand, two younger sons, aged 8, 6, were offered a choice.
Renounce your faith, and your life will be spared.
They did not raise weapons. They did not raise their voices. They simply refused to bend. Four lives, four sacrifices, one unbroken faith. This is not a story of how they died. This is a reminder of how they lived. When courage becomes inheritance, even the youngest can shake empires.
We'll continue creating videos like this. If you wish to support us, the link is in our bio.